Ever wished your spare change could magically turn into investments? Raiz Invest might be the answer. This handy app rounds up your everyday purchases and funnels that extra bit of cash into your chosen investment portfolio. Sounds pretty cool, right? But before you dive in, figuring out which banks work with Raiz Invest is crucial. So, let's break down Raiz Invest's bank compatibility into two key areas: roundup accounts and funding accounts. Roundup Powerhouse, unleashing the spare change magic. The Roundup feature is what makes Raiz Invest so unique. It takes your everyday spending and transforms those little cents into investment fuel. Here's the catch: Raiz currently supports roundups only with Visa credit and debit cards. That means any bank that issues Visa cards should be compatible for roundups. But wait, there's more. Raiz goes a step further with some specific banks in Australia. For Commonwealth Bank, Westpac, NAB, ANZ, St. George, and Bank of Queensland, you can link your account directly through Raiz. This lets Raiz access your transaction data and automatically round up those purchases. Super convenient. However, if your bank isn't on this list, fear not. You can still use Raiz Invest. You'll just need to manually review your transactions and initiate roundups yourself. It's a bit more work, but hey, every little bit counts towards your investment goals. Funding your future: how to get money into Raiz Invest. Now, let's talk about funding your Raiz Invest account. This is where you transfer money directly to fuel your investments. The good news is, Raiz Invest is pretty open when it comes to funding sources. You can link pretty much any debit card issued by a bank in Australia, Visa or otherwise, to transfer money into your account. Important note: Up Bank users, take heed. Since Up Bank is a mobile-only platform without traditional website logins, it's currently not compatible for roundups through Raiz. However, you can still link your Up Bank debit card to transfer funds manually. The final takeaway: your bank compatibility cheat sheet. Here's a quick recap. Roundup accounts, compatible with any Visa credit or debit card, though automatic roundups are limited to Commonwealth Bank, Westpac, NAB, ANZ, St. George, and Bank of Queensland. Funding accounts can be linked with any debit card issued by an Australian bank, Visa or otherwise. Up Bank users can still transfer funds manually, but roundups are not supported. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, keep your finances growing and your investments thriving.